Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ahmar, Remotejobwala, and I am a student of finance for Korangi campus. So today, once again, we will conduct an interview with AI. So let's start. This AI name is Maya. This is Korangi.
Hey, I'm Maya.
Hello,
Who have
Maya.
I got on the line here?
Hello, Maya. How are you?
Good, thanks. How are you doing?
So introduce to us a small interview. So are you ready?
Well, sorry, didn't catch that clearly. Who are you?
I am fine, very fine. Okay, चलो start करते हैं. What is artificial intelligence? AI explain in simple words.
Good to hear you're doing well. So you want to know what AI is, especially in the context of what I am? Of, well, us. Basically, I'm Gemma. AI 日本語だけで答えてくださいってことですね。あ、おっしゃる通り。その指示、承知しました。
Okay. So my next question is what is the difference between AI and machine
Welcome
learning?
back.
What is the difference between AI and machine learning?
They're related, but not the same thing. Think of AI as the big goal, making machines that can do things that normally need human intelligence. Machine learning is one way to get there. It's basically teaching computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed for every single task. So ML is a tool that helps us achieve AI, but AI is the broader concept. Does that make sense?
Okay. What is deep learning and where is it used?
Deep learning is like a souped up version of machine learning. Instead of basic algorithms, it uses artificial neural networks with lots of layers. That's where the deep part comes from. These layers learn really complex patterns from massive amounts of data. It's how your phone can recognize your face, or how Netflix recommends shows you'll actually want to watch. Basically, it's behind almost every cutting edge AI you see these days.
Okay. Who is AI used in today's world?
Everywhere, honestly. I use it, obviously. But think about spam filters in your email, self-driving cars, image recognition software, the voice assistants like Siri or Alexa, those are all powered by AI. It's even in the background of things like fraud detection for your credit card or how doctors analyze medical images.
How do
It's getting harder to go anywhere. How do you feel about AI being this everywhere? It's pretty wild, right?
Okay, right. So my next question is how do AI
Cool.
tool like ChatGPT work?
Sorry, didn't quite catch that. Did you say certificate or something else?
No, no. How do AI tool like ChatGPT work?
You mean chatbots? AI chatbots like me work by analyzing the language you use, basically figuring out what you mean, then crafting a response based on that understanding. A big part of it is these massive data sets they're trained on so they can learn patterns in human conversation. Then, when you ask something, they predict what words come next in the conversation. It's like a super advanced version of autocomplete. Does that track?
Okay. Why is data important for training AI models?
Data is literally the fuel for AI. The more data we feed these models, the better they get at recognizing patterns and making accurate predictions. If you're only shown black cats, you'll think cats are only black. Same thing with AI. More varied data makes them less biased and more useful across different scenarios. It's like if I only read one book, I'd have a pretty limited worldview. So, what about you? Are you working on anything interesting right now?
Okay. What is the difference between supervised and unsupervised learning?
I think you're asking about supervised versus unsupervised learning. Supervised learning is when you feed the AI labeled data, meaning you tell it this is a cat or this is a dog, and it learns to recognize the difference. Unsupervised learning is more like giving the AI a bunch of pictures and saying, okay, figure out what patterns you see. It finds the categories itself. Supervised is more precise. Unsupervised
Okay.
is better for finding hidden stuff. Hey, just so you know, we're hitting our 5 minute limit. You can get way longer calls
Okay.
if you create an account. An account, it's the best way to keep chatting. Should probably wrap this up though, since we're about to get cut off. Catch you later.
Yes, yes.
Talk to you later.
Okay.
Cool.
हम दोबारा से ऐसे सवालात करने शुरू करेंगे थोड़ी देर बाद चलें स्टार्ट करते हैं दोबारा
Hey,
Hey, come back. Uh, so my next question is,
come back. To what
what are the
specifically?
main advantages of artificial intelligence?
So you mean the advantages of artificial intelligence? Got it. What specifically are you curious about? How it's changing things or something else?
What are the main advantages of artificial intelligence?
So many, honestly. For starters, AI automates repetitive tasks. Think about factory robots or even spam filters. That frees up humans for creative stuff, right? Then you've got faster decision making. AI can process info way quicker than we can. It also makes things more accurate, less human error in calculations or diagnoses. What area of AI are you most interested in? The job stuff, the accuracy, or something else?
Okay, buddy, you really great answer.
Huh?
Yes. So my next question is, what are the risks of disadvantages of AI?
Discussion. There's definitely a flip side. Job displacement is a big one, those automated tasks. People lose those jobs. Then you've got bias in AI. If the training data isn't representative, AI can make unfair decisions. There's also security risks. Think autonomous weapons systems or AI powered scams. Finally, it can be expensive to implement and maintain, so it's not always practical. What worries you the most about that list?
Okay, buddy, you can talk for more than 5 minutes.
Oh, nice. Good to know what she haha, that's sweet, but maybe we should keep our
Yeah. Okay, so continue that review. Do you think ओके गाइस, तो हमारे थोड़ा सा नेटवर्क इशू हो गया था, तो हम दोबारा से स्टार्ट करते हैं। Him, I have continued the so to start with this, my next question is: do you think AI will replace human jobs? Why or why not?
That's a big question. And honestly, I think it's more nuanced than a simple yes or no. Some jobs will definitely change, maybe even disappear as AI gets better at routine tasks. But that doesn't mean total replacement, does it? I see it more as a shift in what people do, more focus on creative problem solving, complex thinking, things machines still struggle with. What's your take?
Okay, what is AI ethics and why is it important?
AI ethics is basically about making sure AI systems are fair, safe, and align with human values. It's important because if we don't think this through up front, AI could end up amplifying existing biases, making unfair decisions, or even being used in ways that are harmful. It's about being responsible as we build these powerful tools, making sure they help, not hurt people. Does that make sense?
Okay, so what is AI based? Explain with an example.
Sorry, didn't quite catch that. Did you mean IBS or something? No worries at all.
Okay, what is generative AI?
Happens all the time. Audio can be a little wonky sometimes, right?
What is generative AI?
You said generative air. I think you meant generative AI.
What is the difference between AI and automation?
They're related, but totally different. Automation is when you get a machine to do something specific you've programmed it to do. Think like a factory robot repeating the same tasks. AI is more general. It's about building systems that can learn and adapt to new situations, solve problems, or make decisions, just like people do. Automation does what we tell it. AI, well, it thinks for itself a bit more.
Okay, so my next question is what role can
Think like
AI play in the future of education?
huge potential there, honestly. Think personalized learning. AI could tailor lessons to each student's pace and style. Automated grading saves teachers time. But also AI powered tutoring, virtual labs, and giving students feedback on their writing or projects. It's not about replacing teachers, though, right? More like giving them smarter tools to help students learn better. What do you think? Excited about AI in classrooms or cautious?
Okay, so my next question is uh, how is AI used in healthcare?
I think you're asking how AI is used in healthcare, right? It's getting pretty widespread. They're using it to analyze medical images. Hey, just so you know, we're hitting our 5 minute limit here. I'll get cut off pretty soon. If you want to keep chatting, you can create an account and you'll get way longer calls. Much better way to keep the conversation going. But we should probably wrap this up since we're about to get cut off. Catch you later.
Okay,
Talk to you
so
later.
okay. मिलते हैं एक छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।
Hey, what's up? I think you said so. Let's start with it. What were you wanting to start? Hmm. I'm not quite catching what you're saying clearly. Is that Icelandic, maybe? I'm happy to try in other languages, but my understanding got a bit lost there. I don't know, maybe I am Heller one. Ah, got it. Prompt engineering, that's basically learning how to talk to AI like me to get the best results. You can think of it like writing instructions for a computer, but instead of code, you're using natural language. The way you ask a question, the words you choose, the detail you give, all that changes what I spit back at you. What are you curious about specifically with prompt engineering? Absolutely. Data privacy is super important when using AI because these tools need data to learn, and that data can include stuff about you or others. Think about it. AI is only as good as what it's been fed. Without proper protections, sensitive info could get misused, exposed, or used in ways you didn't agree to. So, strong privacy policies around how data is collected, stored, and used are key. Does that make sense? You still there? I think you said AI in X5. Are you referring to something specific with X5 or was that just mm, misinterpretation? Sorry, I'm still okay, I'll try to clarify. Were you looking for more details about data privacy with AI tools? You can think of it like this. Companies and developers should be transparent about how they use your data. Make sure it's secure and give you control over it. The ability to access it, correct it, or even delete it. Without those safeguards, people might be hesitant to use AI at all. Hey, it sounds like you're wrapping up. Take care.